Building muscle and increasing strength requires dedication to both exercise and proper nutrition. Your diet plays a crucial role in providing the essential nutrients your body needs to repair, rebuild, and strengthen muscle tissue. This guide delves into the 12 best foods for muscle building and strength, empowering you to optimize your diet and fuel your fitness journey. The pillars of a muscle building diet. A muscle building diet focuses on 3 key pillars. Protein, the building block of muscle tissue. Aim for 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight daily to support muscle growth and repair. Carbohydrates, provide energy for your workouts and replenish muscle glycogen stores. Complex carbohydrates from whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are recommended. Healthy fats, essential for hormone production, cell function, and satiety. Choose healthy fats like avocado, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. 12 powerhouse foods to fuel your gains. Eggs, a complete protein source containing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for muscle growth. Eggs are also rich in choline, a nutrient crucial for muscle function and brain health. Enjoy them scrambled, boiled, or poached as part of your breakfast or post-workout meal. Lean meats and poultry, excellent sources of high-quality protein. Chicken breast, turkey breast, and lean cuts of beef and pork provide essential amino acids for muscle building. Grill, bake, or roast these meats for healthy and delicious options. Fish packed with protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which play a vital role in muscle recovery and overall health. Salmon, tuna, and sardines are excellent choices. Aim for 2 to 3 servings of fish per week. Greek yogurt, a protein powerhouse with a creamy texture. Choose plain Greek yogurt with minimal added sugar and top it with fruits, nuts, or seeds for a delicious and nutritious post-workout snack. Beans and legumes are excellent plant-based protein sources packed with fiber and essential nutrients. Lentils, black beans, chickpeas, and kidney beans are all great choices. Enjoy them incorporated into salads, soups, or as a side dish. Quinoa is a complete protein and a whole grain rich in complex carbohydrates and essential amino acids. It's a versatile food that can be enjoyed hot or cold, in breakfast bowls, salads, or as a side dish. Sweet potatoes are a complex carbohydrate source rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They provide sustained energy for workouts and help replenish muscle glycogen stores. Enjoy them baked, roasted, or mashed. Brown rice, another complex carbohydrate source rich in fiber and B vitamins. Brown rice provides sustained energy and supports muscle recovery. Pair it with lean protein and vegetables for a balanced meal. Fruits, excellent sources of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Fruits provide natural sugars for energy and support overall health. Berries, oranges, bananas, and apples are all great choices. Vegetables, nutrient-dense powerhouses filled with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Vegetables provide essential nutrients for overall health and support the muscle-building process. Include a variety of colorful vegetables in your diet. Nuts and seeds, healthy fat sources rich in protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, chia seeds, and flax seeds are all excellent choices. Enjoy them in moderation as a snack or topping for salads and yogurt. Healthy fats. Sources like avocado, olive oil, and fatty fish provide essential fats for hormone production, cell function, and satiety. These fats contribute to overall health and support muscle-building processes. Building a muscle-building meal plan. Now that you know the best foods for muscle building, it's time to create a meal plan that fits your needs and preferences. Here are some tips. Eat frequent meals. Aim for 3 to 5 meals and 2 to 3 snacks per day to keep your metabolism fueled and provide your body with a constant supply of protein for muscle growth and repair. Plan your meals. Spend some time planning your meals and snacks for the week to ensure you're making healthy choices and have healthy options readily available. Portion control is key. While these foods are beneficial, it's still important to practice portion control to avoid exceeding your calorie needs. Hydration is essential. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support muscle function. Beyond the plate. Optimizing your muscle building journey, strength training. Focus on strength training exercises that target all major muscle groups. Aim for 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week with proper form and progressive overload, gradually increasing weight or difficulty to stimulate muscle growth. Rest and recovery. Allow your body adequate time to recover from your workouts. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night and schedule rest days between training sessions. Track your progress. Monitor your progress by tracking your weight, body composition, and performance in the gym. This helps you assess the effectiveness of your diet and training program and make adjustments as needed. Consult a registered dietitian. For personalized guidance on creating a muscle-building meal plan that aligns with your specific needs and goals, consider consulting a registered dietitian. Conclusion: building muscle and strength is a journey that requires dedication to both exercise and a well-balanced diet. By incorporating the 12 best foods for muscle building and strength into your meal plan, you'll provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to reach its full potential. Remember, consistency, proper training, and adequate rest are crucial components for achieving your fitness goals. So fuel your fitness journey with the right foods, embrace the process, and celebrate your progress along the way. I hope you enjoy watching this video on 12 best foods for muscle building and strength.